Is it? Seasonal dude.
I think
Nice room.
I think that deserves an applause. That deserves an applause, my guy.
This is
What
something
is
special,
that?
right?
What is that? What is that bottle?
You know what impresses me most is that dude just had an empty room to do this. Like, I'm sure that they didn't clean their entire room out, like move their bed and shelves out just to take this picture for us.
If you did, yo, respect.
You're nuts. Big respect. Zero monitor. Yeah, sadly no shots for zero monitor. You gotta love the drankies by the chair. You can just stare out the window and feel at peace. This is how humanity should be. Living the high life.
You gotta appreciate the nature.
The little things in life, like being alone in a carpeted room with your drankies in a window and you watch the world pass by outside on grass that you can't touch, but you should.
And you know what? As all good nights end, we end with water.
That's right.